This is the only skincare product I used in a long time where initially the instant result wowed me. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm reviewing the Anua PDRN Hyaluronic Acid 100 Moisturizing Cream. This is a Korean moisturizer that's been trending for its unique salmon DNA ingredient that promises that glass skin that everybody wants. This moisturizer is really unique. It has a combination of hydration, moisture, elasticity, and radiance all in one lightweight cream. In this video, I'm going to go over texture, how it applies, the key ingredients, what makes this cream different, and whether or not it really works. But before I get into it, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you're notified anytime I put out a video just like this. I make videos reviewing Korean skincare and budget makeup. If you're new to Korean skincare, Anua is a big one. It's a skincare brand that's focused on minimalist formulas that avoid unnecessary fillers and ingredients. They're especially known for their skin barrier-friendly products. The Heart Leaf Toner is a big line. So this cream is marketed as a lightweight cream, but also really powerful in hydration and helping your skin feel plump and bouncy without being really heavy. It claims to support elasticity, repair the overall skin health because of that special PDRN ingredient and its collagen content. I think one of the biggest selling points is that it helps achieve that glass skin look. I was struck by this the first time I put it on. It really gives you that smooth, luminous, and hydrated look. This is labeled as suitable for all skin types, but especially for those with dehydrated or maybe really tired looking skin. As far as ingredients, of course, the main one is PDRN. This is an ingredient that's made from salmon DNA. Mainly, this is used in dermatology for skin repair properties, but it also helps improve skin elasticity and it supports healing. This is definitely a unique ingredient. Another standout ingredient in this cream is the hyaluronic acid complex. This is hyaluronic acid in different molecular sizes that penetrate your skin on different levels, and it really helps you get that deeper moisture. This cream is also formulated with collagen. It really adds to the elasticity factor. It really helps your skin look and feel more firmer and youthful, and definitely something that I've noticed immediately when using this. Some of the other ingredients here include glycerin, panthenol, botanical extracts for additional soothing and hydration. So overall, it's just a really great blend of ingredients that go just beyond hydration. It also addresses skin health, healing, and gives you that instant glow. I do have to say that I absolutely love the packaging for this moisturizer. The fact that it comes in a little squeezy tube and that it has this really fine tip from which you can dispense as much or as little of this cream as you want. I think it's great. It's hygienic. You just squeeze it out. You don't have to go digging into a jar. You don't have to really worry about squeezing out too much. I have just really been enjoying this type of tube for lotions and moisturizers. I think that we need to see so much more of this because it works so well. It's so convenient. It really allows you to just apply as much or as little. You can do stripes, you can do little dots. You can really apply it in a very targeted way and place it just where you want it. And so this is one of the other things besides the way that it makes your skin look immediately on application. I just love how easy it is to use this, to dispense it. It's clean, it's not messy, and overall, just a really smart way to package a cream that is this texture and just makes it so easy to apply. So this cream is a really light cream gel hybrid. It's not runny, but also not very thick. It is not very heavy, It doesn't feel greasy and definitely doesn't have any of that stickiness that you might feel with a heavier cream. It spreads and smooths really, really well, absorbs really well into your skin. And as you can see, it leaves behind just a slightly dewy finish, but a really beautiful look, gives you that glow and hydration that just makes your skin look amazing. I like to use this mostly in the evening as part of my bedtime routine, but I have also used this in the morning if I feel like my skin is really dry. I think it does work really well with other skincare products, whether you use it in the morning or nighttime, and it does layer well with makeup as well. I would definitely use this as the last step before sunscreen in the morning or my final moisturizing step in the evening. I think that this can be applied generously if you really need that extra hydration, or in the mornings when I wear this with my makeup, I use a really thin layer just so that my makeup isn't overly greasy and it doesn't melt off of my face. This product can truly work well alone, whether you're just using this with a toner and a moisturizer, or if you have a multi-step routine where you're using a lot of serums. This definitely plays really well with all different kinds of skincare products. So as I said in the beginning, this was one of the few products that when I applied this for the first time, I really was shocked. The way that it made my skin look was so startling and kind of really surprising. My skin immediately looked just hydrated, plump, really healthy, and just rejuvenated. So I really was taken aback from the very first time that I used it. It truly gave me the biggest effect, and it got me closest to that glass skin look that everyone is talking about it than any other product that I used in the past year or so. So as for performance and effectiveness, your skin will instantly feel hydrated, soft, and plump. And I'm talking right after the first initial application, you will be hooked. I think within a week of consistent use, you will notice a glow and improved smoothness and just a softness to your skin, especially if you have really dehydrated skin. And on a long-term use, I do think that your skin will appear more supple, it will look more firm. And so I really, really recommend this for those that have dry skin, for those that have skin that is dull and just really is really thirsty for some moisture. This will be such a great product to try out. For those with combination or normal skin like myself, I think that it will do a great job at hydrating, but without clogging your pores or feeling heavy. And of course, for those with oily skin, this is where you might need to try this out and just see how it works for you. I think you shouldn't have a problem just because if you use a small amount, it will do a great job. But for those that have really oily skin, this might provide a little bit too much hydration and give you too much of that glow. So for those of you with oily skin types, definitely try this out, but I can't vouch that you will love this 100% as much as I do with my normal skin tone. So some of the pros of this cream is that it is lightweight but truly deeply hydrating. It also has that unique repair focused ingredients, the PDRN. I think this does wonders for my skin specifically, and I really enjoy it. Another positive is that this absorbs quickly. It doesn't pill under sunscreen or other skin products or makeup. And this truly gives you a luminous glass skin-like finish. Some of the negatives is that PDRN is derived from salmon DNA, so it's not vegan friendly if that's something that you're looking for. Another negative is that for the oily skin types, this might provide just too much hydration and give you too much of the glow that you might not be looking for. And so my final take is that I absolutely love this cream. I love using this in the evening as part of my nighttime routine. I really love the way that it makes my skin look and feel. It provides a softness and a glow that I have not been able to get from any other skincare product that I've tried recently. I truly think that this cream lives up to its claims if you're looking for hydration, elasticity, that glowy glass skin effect. This will do a great job. It's lightweight and effective. I think it is just almost a must for normal and dry skin types. Anyone really that wants just a fresh and plump look to their skin, this is great. So if you have tried this cream, please let me know your experience in the comments. I'm really curious if other people love this as much as I did. If there is another Anua product that you have tried or that you want me to look into, please let me know below. And I hope to see you next time for another video on Korean skincare.